I mean, that could be completely incorrect. It may just be my code. I don't know. But let's put this back up at 22. What is X bias? Let's see what that does. Whoa. Oh. It flattens it out a little bit more. That makes sense. So, that's kind of... that's cool. But not really what I'm going for, but that's still pretty cool. So yeah, let's put that back. I think negative 22 is a good value. We can play with that later. And now the question is, what do I do? I can always worry about more panels and whatever. I can always worry about that later. I handle the bullshit. Yeah, it's not bad. Oh, man. Yeah, I don't know. So, I think what I'm going to do is, now that I got at this nice little stopping point, I'm not actually going to stop. I'm going to keep streaming, but I am going to take a break. So I think I'm going to grab something to eat, because I didn't eat, because I'm an idiot and didn't eat before the stream started. And then the other thing I'm going to do is probably go check out, what was his name? Not Nolik. I'm going to check out Nolik's stream and see what he's got going on briefly. And then I'll be back. But I'm going to keep the stream running, so feel free to hang out and listen to the music or whatever. Or just come and, check back in every now and then. But, yeah, I'm going to pause this for a moment and go get some food. So I'll be back in a bit. And thanks again, guys, for being here. I love you guys. You're awesome. And I'll be back.
takes some time to bloom. When it's right to find you. When it's right to find you. Like sunlight breaking through. When it's right to come to you. When it's right to find you. When there's nothing left to mediate, you take your coat and you close the gate, and you grow your hair in branches long, and you lose your days in the LA sun. Oh, nobody knows where it goes, when it goes. Love takes some time to bloom. When it's right to find you. When it's right to find you. Like sunlight breaking through. When it's right to come to you. When it's right to find you. We are mostly wasted time, half asleep and half divine, waiting for the faintest light, waiting for these moons to heal. No one never is lost or is found as we think we are. No one never is lost or is found as we think we are. Love takes some time to bloom. When it's right to find you. When it's right to find you. Like sunlight breaking through. When it's right to come to you. When it's right to find you.
Alright, I'm back. What's up, guys? How's it going? How's everybody doing? That was a good sandwich. Yummy, yummy sandwich. Tasty, good sandwich. Alright. Hi! I am completely refreshed. I got me a sandwich. I got nothing else. I got nothing. It was tasty. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna do the intro again. Hold on, I'm gonna do the intro again. Ready? Hold on. Here we go. Intro. Yes, that's more like it. That's the ticket. Yeah, I'm just gonna take breaks from now on so I can show my cool intros and my cool like break screens, because that's really why I'm here. Are the awesome screens that I put together for this crap. Although I cheated on the one with the robot. That's not all me. I'm not gonna take credit for all it. I modified it, you know. But yeah. Yes. Yahoo. Good times, good times. Yeah, good times. I haven't gotten at all into the Tumblr scene. I don't know if it's something wrong with me or if I'm just old. Maybe I'm just an old person. I haven't gotten into Tumblr at all. Like Tumblr, it doesn't, no clicky. I mean, it's a blog, right? Just a blog. I don't know. I've had this conversation with somebody recently about this, and I don't know. This doesn't click, which is weird. Twitter didn't click for like a year or two for me. Like, I was like, Twitter, this thing looks stupid. And then when I realized how awesome it actually was and what you could do with Twitter, I kind of just felt like an old person. I don't know. You always say, hey, I'm never going to be that old person that says, what is this new shit? But here I am. Here I am. Let's see. I can still see the link even though it says deleted. Okay. Yeah, very cool. I mean, I see a lot of people. I see a lot of people doing this, but I'm like, and I get it. I find myself on Tumblrs a lot randomly, but I usually don't. I don't know how to like search Tumblr or any of that stuff. Like, I just completely, I've never bothered really, so maybe that's probably part of it. Yeah, just wait. Give it 10, 15 years. You'll know what I'm talking about. You know, when all the kids are doing these crazy artificial intelligence mind, you know, when everybody's decking in, you're like, yeah, when I used to use a computer, I used to type with my fingers, you know. I don't know. Although, if I can deck into my computer and code, you better believe I'm doing it. I'll be the first one to get that shit implanted. Yeah. I'll be an early adopter of that technology for sure. Alright. Let's see. Where was I? Oh yes, I was right here. Alright. Let's look at it again. Spinning globe. That's not really a globe. So, it'll happen because porn. Exactly. I hate how every time I switch screens, it drops off. There we go. So I think I'm going to... I don't know. Let's do something fun. Something simple and fun. And simple and fun. Let's put a little dude. And by little dude, I mean a completely not dude-like cube. And the way I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna cheat. Because, you know, whatever. And that's my little cube. Let me start my panel up here so I can see where it is at. Way down there. Okay, it's pretty far down. Is my cube like not centered? No, it is. Interesting. I'm gonna move him down so he's like on the surface of the planet. And this isn't gonna work perfectly, but I'm kind of curious to see what happens. It's actually interesting because I could make it follow the surface, but I'm not going to right now. I'm going to try something else. I'm just going to see what it does by itself. Look, there's my cube. He looks like he's jumping. Alright, so let's make him bigger. Alright. So that works. I mean, really, I can just attach the player to the camera. And yeah, I can just attach the player to the camera. The shadow looks pretty nice. You know what, I wonder, for fun, man, I really need to get that seam fixed. It's really irritating me a lot. Even when you turn not safe for work off, you'll still come across it, don't worry. Right. Feminism. Ah, good old 4chan. So what do I do? What do I do now? Is the game finished yet? I don't know. Part of me just wants to fix that seam because it's driving me crazy. The other part of me wants to start thinking about enemies and AI. Another part of me wants to start thinking about what I'm going to do for the terrain to make it look different. I mean, I can generate it. I could totally generate the terrain on the fly using Perlin noise, like something similar to like Minecraft. You know, how it's like nice and pretty, and I could do the same thing to generate the terrain. You know what? Oh, wait a second. You know what I just thought of? I have other plugins I could use that do some really cool shit. You know what? You know what I want to do? I want to actually put a skybox on this fucker. So I'm gonna put a skybox on it. And you know what? I have Should I create one? Should I create a skybox or just use... You know what? I'm not gonna create one. Again, it says that I can use paid assets or, you know, free assets that are out in the public. So I'm gonna do it. I think I have... Sky stuff? Oh, this is not... I wanna go here. Yeah. Sky. I think I have one. Oh, I don't have one! I thought for sure that I did. I guess I could just use something from the app. I'll just use something from the Unity store for it, or the Unity built-in shit. I believe environment. Because I kind of want to do something with the background because it looks kind of crappy. Does this have what I need? Whoa, why is it importing all this stuff? What? Interesting. Oh, I could put some trees on there. That might be fun. Let's just import it. I have no idea what's in this environment. I never ever use the built-in Unity stuff. So let's see what it has. Because it could be useful. Or it might just be trash. Either way. Sure. Let's do it. Bob Ross in the house. Let's just put a little tree right here. Tree needs a friend. Yeah. That works for me. Happy little trees. Wow, the built-in Unity stuff is throwing errors. It's kind of funny. Why is it throwing errors? It's weird. It's really weird, actually. Definitely throwing errors. Let's just import more. I don't know. Cross-platform input. I guess I also need that, so it doesn't wig out on me. I don't know why I need it, but... Huh. Just do cameras and... just import everything. Maybe this is why I never use any of this stuff. Okay, so importing... oh no, never mind. It's still broken. What else? Vehicles. I don't know. Why is it breaking? Is my project build still? No, because of this crap. Alright, well, I'm just gonna delete it. Delete cameras altogether. Wow, this is like... okay. Forget it. Deleting. stupid. I just want a skybox. Oh my god, is this still breaking? Why? Huh. So it actually broke, doing this actually broke my shit. I'm just gonna re-import it. Aw, that's sad. That makes me sad. Sad panda. I am a sad panda. Import. As far as I know, I just need to fix my... I'm probably gonna only have to fix my materials, maybe? No? That kinda sucks. Aw, come on. Well, it's taking forever. Taking forever. It's a little bit too repetitious for me. I'm gonna have to change it because the repetition's killing me. Alright, I think we're good. Oh, I didn't have to, oh wait, yeah I did. Yeah I do. Oh. Alright, so I have to do it. You know what, I'm gonna delete the example scenes so it doesn't happen again. Because I don't need them anymore. And, let me just do this lighting. I don't think I need to do this because I just deleted everything that had it. I don't know. Alright, so now I just need to put that thing back the way it was before I killed it. Which I think I said I wanted... I wonder what Universal is. I want to see what Universal does. Hmm. Okay, that's just weird. I wonder how that works. Huh. Oh! That's kind of cool. But that's not what I need, so it's cool though. So, back to where we were. The lighting looks different. Alright. Oh, you know, actually this panel here is supposed to be hidden. There we go. Yeah, I really want to add a skybox, so I think I'm gonna do that. And I think, if I remember correctly, it's been so long since I've done anything with skyboxes. I just need to put on the camera. I need to add I don't remember, effects. On the camera, I need to add I don't remember how to do that. Alright, so Unity Skybox. Alright, it's a material. Right, that makes sense. And the skybox actually gets added I don't remember. I thought it gets added on the camera. Window lighting. Okay. So right, that's okay. So now the question is, where do I get a skybox that I want? I actually have another project. I have another project that I can steal it out of. It's one of my projects, but what is it called? No. Experimental. No. Unity experiments. Huh. Thought for sure it was in there. Works game clones. There we are. Do I need anything else? Yeah, okay, so let's just drag this into here. And let's grab my background cube. And these actually, I need a new folder. I'll create a new folder called textures. And I don't need this train in there. And then I'm gonna grab my textures and put them in there. Alright, so my material space, there we go. That's what I want. And supposedly, I just dropped that in. Okay, well I can't drop it in if it's going to disappear on me. I can select it. What? There we go. There we go. That's pretty cool, right? Very pretty. Let's see how it looks. Yeah. I mean, it doesn't look as cool because we're not actually rotating around. Oh, that's gonna be a problem. Damn it, that's a problem. Because if I'm walking around the planet, I actually need it to move my skybox, which means my camera has to move. If my camera doesn't move, shit! That's worthy of changing though, because the skybox will make it look so much better. It just means that I have to do everything completely differently. So my input manager actually no. Oh, that's not true. Even if I move my camera, it's not going to matter because I'm not actually going around the world. I'm not actually rotating around the planet. So that doesn't matter at all. The only way I can do this is if I bake the rotation, which is easy. So that's easy. What I'll do is I'll create a, let's call this master rotation. I don't know. And I want the camera everything. Well, not the directional light. Oh, that's also why it looks weird, because the light's always in the same place. Wow, how did I not notice any of that? Alright, so the camera and the world pan thing both need to be under this master rotation guy. Side of the master rotation guy. Alright, so the master rotation... wait, it's not gonna work. Put him at 0, 0, 0. And now let's move this back into master rotation. So master rotation, and the trick is going to be rotating the entire thing, the entire contraption. And that's going to be actually tricky. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect, I guess. It could be, it's fake. It can be fake. Actually, it's not going to work. Yeah, it'll work. It'll work. Master rotation. I'm just going to say master rotation. I'm just going to do a rotation. This is going to be really tricky. The fake. It also means I need to change all of this stuff to use local position. Because I can't use... Okay, let's start with one thing at a time. All of these things should use local position. I'm totally gonna fuck this up. Yeah, I don't think this will matter. Everything has local position, local position, local position, local position. I don't think it'll matter. Whoops, local position. I'm gonna make sure it still works, I guess. It does. But it doesn't. It's not doing that anymore. Weird. Strange. If I'm using local position, it's not. Why wouldn't it work? It's very strange. It's basically working the same. Yeah, it's working the same way. There's no difference there. Wait, it is working. No, it's not. It's really strange. Yeah, you like my my space skybox? I don't know why this I changed everything to use local position and now it's not I don't know. It's really weird. Like, it should work exactly the same way. Oh! It's because it's not the local position. Now it gets more complicated. Transform that local position. Yeah, see if I can get this to work the way I want it to, it'll look even better because it's actually it actually looks really good. If I could just do this rotation. But this is not working. Local position. I'm moving them in local position. Oh. I have to take the parent into account. I wonder why that wasn't a problem before. I have no idea why that wasn't a problem before. It's weird. Because I'm moving the parent too. I have to move it in local position as well. So I can get the fucking skybox to work the way I want it. Alright, fixed. Thank God, fixed. So this is actually better than it was, in theory. Although the code, I mean, it looks exactly the same, but it's actually a lot better. Because now, in theory, I should be able to take this entire object and rotate it. Oh, that breaks. Well, that's easy too. I just need to put the input manager under it. So now I can rotate it. No? What? Hey, welcome back, man. Huh. Well, shit. I mean, that's fine. It just means... the input manager. How the hell is this working, actually? Is it just because I didn't have it? Maybe I just didn't have it, I don't know. Nope. Okay, that sucks. I definitely need to be able to rotate it for my skybox to work. If I move all of this shit up, maybe it'll work. No. Yeah, I don't know why. You know what? It's because this is the wrong thing. I mean, I don't think it's gonna matter, actually. Maybe it will. Alright, let's just create an object. I'll call this... the... bend pivot. And so if right now my cube thing, where is my cube actually? Where the fuck did it go? Oh, it's in my camera. Okay, so my cube is at, well, so maybe it is supposed to be 0. Maybe, yeah, fine, whatever. So that's gonna go there. You know what, I'm editing, I can't edit it in, Thanks, Kenny. I appreciate that. Yeah, I made it a long time ago with some program. It's from another game that I have, but another game that I made. But I made it a long time ago with some program that makes space. It generates all the nebulas and shit. It's kind of cool. Well, fuck. So, I don't understand why this is not working. Oh, again, my input manager is in the wrong place. And my...
Down, take that zipper down. Down, take that zipper.
Next. Alright, so let's see. This is going to be my bend pivot. So my bend pivot it looks arguably better now, and I don't know why. That must be because I fixed some of this shit that I had going on. Maybe it's my imagination. Damn it. So when I rotate this, oh, you know what? I know why. I need to specify that I want it to rotate around that guy. Oops. Ah, fuck. Is it because it's rotating? No. Right? That song. No idea. I mean, if the rotation works, I mean, let's just try it because I know it's not gonna work, but at least we can see. Oh, actually, I don't have the rotation code in there. Damn. It makes me wonder if the other types. Oh yeah, you know what? I could do that. I could take. Let me just do that first of all. I'm gonna add I mean, this is kind of it's kind of annoying because in theory it should work. Oh, so close. Yeah, let me go ahead and just put in that eagle eye thing too, because that's useful. I think this actually solves the problem that I've been annoyed with for a while. And I'm going to test that because... yeah, it still seems like a problem. Alright, so there's gotta be something else. Oh! Universal, but with all 3 axis bend controls. Aha! I should have looked more closely at this. Classic Runner. Classic Runner gives you the look of, you know, Inception. Little Planet does it in 2 directions, but Universal gives you all 3. I don't think it's going to make a difference. What sucks is that it looks like it only works on... What sucks is I think it's only going to, I don't think it's going to work the way I need it to. Which sucks, because Universal's just going to add another bend on the Z, which is downward. Which means I'm just going to have to adjust values all day long and make it do what I want it to do. Which I don't get because it has a pivot. It has a pivot point. What does it use that pivot point for? I don't get it. I don't get it at all. Oh wait, so far so good. It actually is not breaking like it did last time I tried this. So let's try. Rotate. No. It does have all 3 axes now. Oh. Yeah, that's gonna be the problem. Is that when it flips around to that direction, those numbers actually have to change, and even then it's still not right. That sucks. Why have you heard Pivot a lot? Oh, I know why. I know why. Yeah. I get it. I don't know why this is doing this. It's definitely... I think it's gonna screw me. I don't think I can do it. I don't think that, I'm gonna have to lose the skybox, I guess. Which, it doesn't make sense. In this picture they have a skybox, which is very misleading. Yeah, I don't know. This is a sweet soccer field, though. Yeah, that could be fun, right? Oh, this is gonna bother me. Look, I even have a planet, you know? Like, a real planet. It's the moon. Yeah, so it'd be nice if I could get this thing to rotate the way I want it, because that would be pretty cool to see in the background. But it's just not going to. Digital blasphemy. Yeah, digital blasphemy. Yeah, that's old school. I remember digital blasphemy. I knew I'd heard that. I'm like, where have I heard that before? Like, this is really odd to me, because I would imagine that it would take the position of the camera. The fact that it doesn't take the position of the camera to generate the shader is ridiculous. And I also have no idea what in the hell... Let me try leaving this out, the objects. I also have no idea what in the hell the pivot point does. But I'm gonna find out, because... Oh, I can't, because he... I can't see how it works. Man, that sucks. I don't think there's any way around it. I think I'm fucked. I just, it's not going to work. I mean, for the skybox. I mean, if I lose the skybox, I can keep going the way I'm going, but... It's really frustrating, though. It's really frustrating. Yeah, no, definitely. No, it sucks though, actually. It does suck, because the skybox, that means I'll never be able to put a sky in there. Like, I can't think of a single solution to put a sky. And that's really gonna take away from... You know what? I know how I can do it. I know how I can do it. I have a dirty hack. It's very dirty. Very dirty hack. Yeah, I know how I can do it. This is, I'm basically going to... I'm gonna have a second camera. I have a second camera that's going to spin and use the skybox and render the skybox. And then I'm going to let my main camera still do its thing on top of it. Were you typing the writer, Steven? Ari? Yeah, the mobile Twitch kind of wigs out on me too sometimes. Oh, really? That's weird. Yeah, I have issues with the Twitch mobile. I also have issues. They actually have a desktop client now. I don't know if you've seen it, but the desktop client for Twitch actually, if you leave it running for a while, it'll just start chewing through CPU like crazy. Like I have to restart it like every 5 or 6 hours. But it looks like they're trying to do what Discord does as well as integrating it into your chat, so they're trying to replace Discord, it looks like. Which is kind of funny because Discord is awesome and this thing sucks. Oh. So I think I can do that. I think I can take the second camera, or a second camera. Right, exactly. Yeah. Shit, I don't know. I'm gonna try. Unity second camera skybox. I'm just gonna look it up because I know someone else has done it, and shit. Alright, that's how you do it. The depth. Yeah, so that would work. So if I render the sky... Shit, let's just try it. If I add a second camera, this is gonna be interesting. It now thinks that's my main camera because it's lower in the... No, it's just because it's selected. Alright, so if I tell this one, if I tell this camera here not to clear, oh, actually, that should be it. Hehehe. Whee! Okay, but there's 2 audio listeners in the scene. You know what? This is going to work. I just need to take the audio listener off this camera. And the other problem that I don't know the reason for. I don't know how to set this to not be my main camera. Let's go for it. I'm playing it through Spotify, actually. I have Spotify playing, and then I have a little Apple script called TuneOut that you can find online somewhere. It's a little Apple script. If you have a Mac, then it just goes in and figures out what the name of the song is, writes it to a file, and then I have it displaying on my OBS. But it's just playing through Spotify. And of course, if you're in Windows world, there's all kinds of programs that do that stuff for you, but I actually had to hack it to make it work, so. But yeah. Oh, shit. Yeah, I'm in Windows world. Everybody's in Windows world, I know. I'm the only crazy one in Mac world. I used to be a Windows nut. I mean, not a Windows nut. I used to be anti-Microsoft or anti-Mac. I've always been anti-Microsoft, but I used to be really anti-Apple. I'm still anti-Apple. So you know what? I think I can make this work. This is actually exactly what I want. Except, yeah, it is. This is perfect. This is exactly what I want. Now the only difference is going to be that I need to tell it not to render. I need my second camera not to render anything except for the skybox. And now when I rotate my second camera, it works. I'm so happy. Alright, So that's good. Problem decimated. Alright, so now the only catch is I still have to code this game that I have no idea what I'm coding. I have no idea what kind of game I'm making. That's a problem. That's a real problem. Success.jpg. So now here's the cool thing. Here's the really, really cool thing about this. I could technically generate all of these panels on the fly. And if I generate all the panels on the fly... So, okay, forget that. Let's just pretend... I could literally make this thing turn and turn and turn and turn and turn. And... the size of it is actually going to be completely determined by how slowly I move that second camera. If I rotate the camera real slow, then it's going to look like this planet is huge. Right? In theory. Even though right now it's a little bit... It's to the point now where it's like, it looks so small on the screen that you can kind of tell that something's wrong if I move the sky slowly. But if it bends out a little bit further, I can make it look really big. Pretty cool. It's a very different way of... it's just a very different way of thinking about... thinking about this problem. Like, I've tried to make this planet... I've tried to do something like this before, and I can't believe that the first time I've actually successfully done it is during Ludum Dare. It's kind of cool. Yeah. So I don't need this anymore. I don't need this master rotation thing. Let me just clean up a little bit. Do a little bit of cleanup. Oh, you know what? Actually, I need to tell it to... I need... Shit. Camera. Let's just call it sky box rotation. Yeah. And then the input manager is just going to need to know this camera here I'm going to call skybox camera. And on my input manager, I'm going to add him here. And then I just need to rotate the camera, right? So skybox rotation. Dot rotate. I mean, this part's kind of hard actually because no, it's not. It's just not hard. I just need to rotate it around vector 3 right, I think. Oh. Zero. Oh, I hate rotations. Let's just try this. Because that always works, right? Yeah, I don't like this, but I'm gonna try it anyway. Oh, wow, look at that. Yeah! Yeah, buddy. It's not quite right. It's close. Not quite right. But if I do both at the same time, maybe no. Alright, so close. I think the easiest way to solve this, because I want it, I still feel like, Yeah, if it's rotating around the right axis, it's actually the vertical that I want to use anyway. So I just am an idiot and did it wrong. This should be forward and horizontal. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah, this is gonna be the problem. I mean, it looks kind of cool, I mean, but it's not what I want. It needs to be a local, actually, you know what? It's rotating it around. Fuck. Shit. This is not. Okay. Skybox rotation. Transform rotation. Thanks, dude. I appreciate that. That means a lot. I can use a quaternion. I forget how to use quaternions in Unity, so let's find out. Quaternions are a lot of fun. It's just matrix math, W, X, Y, Z. So instead of just X, Y, Z, you have a fourth coordinate, and that fourth coordinate, or that fourth column and row in the matrix, actually provides just enough information to allow it to know what the angle of rotation is. So you don't have, if you just have like a vector and you just rotate that vector and you keep rotating it, you end up getting all kinds of weird fucked up rotations. But when you add in this fourth row and column, I'm sorry, I'm wrong. It's a vector with a fourth component, like a W. And that fourth component allows it to actually, it allows it to smoothly rotate exactly the way that you want it to rotate without having the problem. It's called gimbal lock. So, just a little bit of fun 3D graphics trivia for you. 3D mathematics. Which they never teach in school, any of this stuff, this quaternion stuff. They never teach it in school as far as I know. I never had a class on quaternions. So it was almost like this foreign concept that I only learned about through computer graphics. So I don't know if quaternions are used in the world of mathematics. To be honest, I don't know if that's like a common thing that gets used anywhere else, but it's used a lot in computer graphics. And it works really well. If I can just remember. I think it's, you take the dot product. I think I have to take two dot products. Or take a dot, this is one long today I learned. Dude, actually, you know what? That's my favorite thing about this. I don't really care about actually finishing a game. If somebody learns something from anything I do, that's awesome. So even if you don't retain any of it, if it's just something new for you, I think that's awesome. Yeah, I think it's awesome. I do need to. I need a better explanation of it because quaternion. multiple rotations. Yeah, you should, man. There's all kinds of shit like this on Twitch in the programmer creative section or the game dev creative section. Although a lot of people, I've watched a lot of programmers do stuff on Twitch before, and I've been less than impressed. Granted, if I watched myself, I'd probably be less impressed than impressed as well. So, but I imagine as somebody that's never seen it before, it would probably be. I mean, I would have killed to have somebody doing this in front of me when I was first learning how to do it. So if it's something that you're interested in, I can't imagine being somebody that's interested in something and having something like Twitch like right there in front of your face, or YouTube, or any of that stuff. Because a lot of my 3D and all the shit that I learned, a lot of it I learned before the internet was really even a thing. I mean, it wasn't a popular thing. When you think about it, it's like, wow, the internet barely existed when I learned this stuff.